Hey guys, I'm back with another core tip video for you. So today we're going to be doing 3 core moves that will help to tighten and tone your middle section all the way from the front, the obliques, and the back side. So you can add this to the beginning or the end of any of your workouts. It's only going to take you about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how many sets you do of each of the 3 exercises. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below for me with what you want to see next, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's get started. Oh, hey, by the way, are you following me on Instagram yet? Make sure you head over there to see more of the behind the scenes lifestyle stuff, funny fitness memes. Those are my favorite part. Click the link down below, or you can just head over to Super Sister Fitness at Instagram. So make sure that you always do a warm up before you get started, and when you're ready, we're gonna come down onto our mat, and from here, you're going to take your hands underneath your shoulders, and you're gonna stack your hips over your knees. Make sure your back toes are tucked, just like that, okay? So what we're gonna do from here is you're gonna come over to one side of your mat. You're gonna lift your knees up off of the mat. You're gonna roll around as you reach up into the sky, put your hand down, reach all the way up, and come over, okay? So we're going up and over. Keeping your hips low as you can. Good. Up and over. Up and over. Good. A few more here. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. Good. Now see if you can make it a little bit more fluid. Going up, reaching up, coming over. Keeping your hips stacked. Keeping your shoulders stacked. Let's do 3 more. And 2. Last one here.
Check it.
And over. Good. Set your knees down, shake your arms out. If you want, you can do little wrist circles here, or stretch your wrists out just a little bit here. Flexing, gripping, shaking that out. Good. Okay, moving on to the next exercise for your core is going to be very similar in that you'll be in the same crouching position, but we're gonna actually move into a side to side. Twisting side to side helps you get those obliques. So we're gonna come back into that hands and knees position. You're gonna lift those knees up slightly off the mat, keeping your toes down and tucked. You're gonna tilt to one side, reach this arm up, push this foot through, come back to center, and then tilt to the other side, reach and push. Good. So you're twisting here as you're kicking and reaching. To modify this, you can take your hand to here and just crunch your knee up. You're still gonna get that oblique twist with that crunching instead of doing the full kick, okay? So it's all about the twist in the core. But the full move is a reach and a push, full move, reach and a push. Good, a couple more here. Beautiful, push. You should feel your core. And the reason these are so effective for tightening your core is because these are functional total body movements, okay? So we're in the whole body, even though it's just for core. And the reason we do that is because working more muscle groups at a time is gonna be more effective for your workout. You're gonna help lower your body fat quicker by increasing your muscle mass. But you're still using your core as your primary mover here. 3 more on each side. Good. 2 more. Almost there. Beautiful. And last one here. And last one here. Boom. Good. Set your knees down. Find a child's pose to catch your breath if you'd like to. That's optional. Again, you can always shake your wrists out, do your stretches, make sure your wrists stay nice and healthy. Good. The last move in this set, we're gonna give your hands a little bit of a break. You're gonna roll down onto your back. And then once you're on your back, you're gonna take your arms all the way up overhead. Take your feet slightly away from your hips. Make sure you tuck your core, press your back into the mat. From here, you're gonna reach all the way up towards the ceiling, using your core to sit all the way up, and then slowly roll down. Good. And then the next one, you're going to let your knees fall out to the side and do the same thing. So you're alternating a sit up. Good. With a butterfly sit up and a reach forward. Beautiful. So sit up, reach up. Wonderful. And butterfly reach. Good. good in your hips. Good. You get that nice little stretch in the outer thigh. We're working on hip mobility at the same time. You guys know I'm all about 2 birds, 1 stone. Let me scoot my hips forward a little bit. Keep going. All the way up. Good.
Check it.
All the way forward. You're gonna start to feel this in your full core pretty soon, if you don't already. Now, if this like reaching forward thing is just not for you, maybe sit-ups are not your jam, what you can do to modify this is to just take your arms down behind your ears and focus on just that crunch. Okay, if you want level 2, you tabletop your legs and crunch it in just like that. Otherwise, let's do 5 more here. Well, let's do 6 more because we have 2 and 2. Good. Up. And try to come up with power, but keeping that control. Good. One more time. Up. And forward with a stretch. Beautiful job. Okay, this last one is a bonus move. You didn't see that coming, but this is optional so that you can work the back side. We just worked all the front, the sides of the obliques. Now, to round it out and make sure that this is the entire core, we're going to keep the back toes tucked and do our alternating arm and leg raise. So right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg, and switch, and switch. Good. Pull the belly button in. Keep it going. You got it. If your knees are bothered, you can wrap up a towel, put it underneath your legs, otherwise push. Beautiful. Let's do a few more here. And again, you can repeat a few rounds of this to make it more of a full core workout. I recommend anywhere from 3 to 5 sets of all 3 exercises. You could pick and choose which ones you like, what you want to take with you into the future, or add these on at the end as part of a cool down for any of your workouts. Good. A couple more. One more side. Beautiful. Wonderful. Go ahead and have a seat. We are going to cool it down just a little bit, do a couple back stretches. So if you're going to repeat a few sets of that, make sure you pause the video here, rewind it back, and get yourself started. And then you can pop back over here for the stretch and cool down. So you're gonna inhale, look all the way up, arch your back, pull your shoulders down. Exhale, round and look at your belly button. Good. Inhale, up, arch up. Exhale, round in, look in. Inhale, up, arch up. Good. Do it one more time. Inhale, up, arch up. Exhale, round in. Coming back into neutral spine. Relax your shoulders down. Take your arms out to the side. You're gonna reach one arm up and over. Look up at your pinky. Spin the pinky in towards your midline. Good, nice side body stretch here. And down the sides of the rib cage. Just like a wash ball. Ready to play some tunes. No, we're not. That's weird. Don't repeat that. Okay, inhale up. Other side. Reach all the way up and over. Spin the pinky in toward your midline. Beautiful. Almost done. Inhale, back up to center. Palms forward, spread your fingers wide. Exhale, pull back and down. Beautiful. You're gonna grab the fronts and then round and look at your belly button and pull your shoulders down your back. And then sit up nice and tall. One more time. Inhale, reach up. Arching your lower back. Pulling your shoulders away from your ears. Don't hunch those shoulders. Nobody likes the hunchback. Okay, coming back to neutral, shake it out. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Liz. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get more weekly workout videos delivered straight to you. If you want notifications, hit that little notification bell. And as always, leave a comment below and let me know how it's going for you and how I can help support you. You are rocking this. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Oh, hey, by the way, are you following me on Instagram yet? Make sure you head over there to see more of the behind the scenes lifestyle stuff, funny fitness memes. Those are my favorite part. And obviously you guys' favorite part too. But make sure you click the link down below, or you can just head over to Super Sister Fitness at Instagram. I'll see you over there. Bye.